Hello YouTube, welcome back to the Web Gear Review. I'm your host, the Web Gear Guy, and today I want to take a look at some West German G3 ammo pouches for the G3 Heckler and Koch. But anyway, let's take a look at these. These pouches here are first pattern G3 ammo pouches from the West German Army, the Bundeswehr is sort of how you pronounce it. But anyway, let's take a look at these things, okay? First of all, these things are approximately 6.5 inches tall, okay? They're approximately 3.5 inches wide per pouch. Now, 2 pouches come attached to each one. So they would carry a total of 4 pouches here, and I was told they would carry a couple of extra in their small butt pack, okay? But anyway, now the main thing with these pouches is I'll show you how they open. You can see right there, typical German fashion, just pull that up right over that little stud there, and they simply open up. And right there you can see inside they have a leather backing. And there is the information. Hopefully you can see that on there. Okay. These first pattern pouches, the way I understand it, was used in the 60s and 70s. And actually they were intermingled and intermixed with the Type 2 pouches plumb up into the 80s. So the way I understand it. So anyway, let's take a look at these things. They're made out of 2 pieces of rubberized nylon that is attached together. Now this is the main problem with this type of material. Over time it wants to separate. Okay, see that? But anyway, I want to show you how these fit up on your belt. Okay, so let's see if we can turn this around to where you can see. This little ring right here, that little D ring, is, of course, your suspenders would go there, okay? But anyway, on the bottom here, after you unhook the opening, unhook these here, okay? Just a little bit. Pull these up a little. And right here, we have a West German combat belt. And then you would take your combat belt, and you can just run it right through there, see? It's a little easier if you take that buckle off. You might not even have to undo it. But anyway, this is just a simple demonstration to show you how these West German ammo pouches hook up to the belt. But anyway, that's how they would hook up right there. And there's not a lot to say about these things except for they were used for a very long time. Thanks for watching another one of the Cold War kit items here on the Web Gear Review. Thank you very much.